Do you guys want to start a business but you don't have the capital or the money to get things up and running? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can literally take $0 in your bank account to $500 to $1,000 to then let you invest that money to start the business of your dreams. So all you guys need for this technique is a computer or phone that has Wi-Fi. So obviously if you're watching this video, you have one or the other or both. And let's just dive right into it, and I'm going to show you how we can create a little bit of income to then help us start our business or the business of our dreams. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Craigslist, and depending on where you live, you're going to select the country or the continent that you guys are currently living in. So for this example, I'm living in the US, and I'm going to go down and I'm going to click Utah. I'm going to find Utah and I'm going to hit Salt Lake City. So basically, I'm going to where I live because I'm going to find a product that's for sale that's free. So right here, for sale, free, and then you're going to hit free. So you're finding products that are completely free. All you need to do is go and pick them up. So you're just going to start scrolling, and right here you have a fake Christmas tree. It's in South Jordan, so that's pretty close to where I live. And if it was Christmas time, you could go pick up that Christmas tree, or you could go pick it up right now, and then come Christmas time, you could go and sell it for $15, $20. So you basically find these free products on Craigslist, you go pick them up, and then you go sell them for a profit. Right here we have free office furniture. So we look at it, we have a desk, we have some shelves that look like they're in decent condition. We have a filing cabinet that looks like it's in perfect condition, and you go pick it up. You have your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, your cousin take you to go get it, or you drive yourself, or you take an Uber maybe. You go pick up the products that are completely free, and then you turn around and sell them for a profit. So you can sell them on a bunch of different platforms. So you have Craigslist, so you can literally turn around and sell them on the same platform and sell it for $10, $15, and someone will come and pick it up and buy it. Or you can go to Facebook and you go to the marketplace. So if you guys have a Facebook account, you're going to go to the home page, and then you're going to click on the marketplace, and you literally can find anything on the marketplace. So you have motorcycles, you have camera equipment, you have trailers, you have Nintendo 64 games. I mean, literally, you can find anything. So what you do is you pick up this free product, you go and you sell it on the Facebook Marketplace for $20, $30. So let's kind of scroll down and see if there's any products that are similar to what we were looking at. So we have some nightstands for $30. You have a couch, and on Craigslist, I'm pretty sure that there's free couches that you can go and pick up. So a free couch that all you need to do is go pick it up. And on the Facebook Marketplace, they're selling them for $150, $1,000. And yes, these are a little bit in better condition, but that doesn't mean that you can't sell it for 20, $30. So once you do that a few times, you find some products and you start selling it, you collect $100, let's say. So you sell 4 different products for $25, and now you have $100 to your name. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google and you're going to search thrift stores California or thrift stores Utah. You're going to go to Savers, you're going to go to the Goodwill, and you're going to go to these different thrift stores, and you're going to go buy products with that $100. So you're going to basically look for products that are in good condition, that are high quality, that you can basically go and turn around and sell on the Facebook Marketplace, or you can sell them on Amazon, eBay, Craigslist. You have different apps like the Poshmark app, which I'm going to show you what I've done with Poshmark. You have the Let Go app, and there's different basically marketplaces that you can go and sell these products. So you have $100, you go invest $100 in products, and then you turn around and sell it, and you have now $200. So you created that $100 and you turn it into $200. And you're just going to repeat that process until you save enough money and you can pay yourself $50, go treat yourself for dinner, or go buy yourself something, and then just start saving that money, put it away, And then once you have $1,000, then you can go and start the business of your dreams. So it's a super simple concept of finding free items that you can find on Craigslist, or in my case what I did is I went and I found free items in my closet. So I found shirts that I don't wear, shoes that I don't wear that are still in good condition, and I went and I sold them on the Poshmark app. So I'm going to actually dive into my phone and I'm going to show you what I was able to do with literally $0. It's just articles of clothing that I already own, accessories that I've already bought. So I'm going to go to the Poshmark app, and first I'm going to do a screen sharing so that you guys can see inside my phone right there. And I'm just going to go to the Poshmark app, and you can just download this on the App Store, and it's super cool. You create an account, and right here I have my account, and you can see my closet. I went through and you can see what items I've sold. I went through my wife's closet and I found some shirts that she doesn't wear anymore that are still in really good condition. And I hate to say it, I even found clothes that had tags on them. So I was able to sell clothes that she had never worn before. So right here, you can see that it literally still has the tag on the shirt. So it's kind of sad, but you can go through your closet and find basically clothes that you don't wear and sell them for a profit. So I'm going to show you what my purchases, no, I haven't bought anything, but my sales, I'm going to show you that what I've been able to sell, and this has been in over maybe a couple weeks. So I've sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different things from prices ranging to $6 to $33. So now I'm going to go into my balance, and you'll see that I've made $48.05. So now with that $48.05, I can go to a thrift store and buy more and do the exact same thing. So find clothes or shoes or hats or accessories that are in good condition and sell them for a profit. So that is basically what you're going to do, and just repeat and repeat and save and save. And then once you do have enough money, you're going to go and you're going to invest it in whatever business you want to start, whether it's Forex, whether it's Amazon FBA, whether it's Shopify, whether it's starting your own clothing line, whatever it may be. I want you guys to use that money that you worked really hard to get and then make that money work for you. So that is the goal, is you want to make money, and then once you have the money, make it work for you. So find a business model that works for you. And if you guys want to learn more, I have a channel that talks about Amazon FBA, which is an awesome business model where you basically source products from China and then you have Amazon do all the fulfillment and the shipping. And it's a super cool business model. There's also Shopify dropshipping, where you can create a Shopify store, and there's minimal startup costs, but then you'll have to pay for advertising or influencers. So you'll have the $500 or $1,000 to then start your dropshipping store, or you could start affiliate marketing, or you could start. There's just so many different businesses that you can start with under $1,000. So please take advantage of this. Go create a side income, finding products in your house that you don't use, whether it's electronics, pots and pans, clothes that you don't wear, shoes. Go to your mom's closet, go to your brother's house, go to different garage sales and find products that you can then turn around and sell for a profit. So like I said, there's Craigslist where you can go and sell the products. You can go and sell it on the Facebook Marketplace. You have eBay that you can go and sell the products. You have Amazon that you can go sell the products. And the best part about it is they're all free to sell on. Yes, with Poshmark and Amazon and eBay, they take a fee once you do sell a product, but it's a couple dollars. So go take advantage of these marketplaces, get your products sold, and just find products that are free and then turn around and sell them for a profit. My favorite is Facebook Marketplace. It's completely free to advertise your products, and you can basically sell products within minutes of you posting the product. So if they don't sell, you just lower the price, and it doesn't matter because you got the products for free. And whether you take $2, $5, $10, it's still something to get you guys started. So I hope this motivates you guys to get going and start creating a little bit of side income. You can do this after your job. You can do this literally whenever you want. So take the time, go and hustle, grind, and take advantage of the internet. Literally, there's so much value and there's so many different things that you can do. It's just you need to take action. So get started today. Go start creating a little side income so that then you can create the business of your dreams and create the lifestyle, quit your 9-to-5 job and start living the life of your dreams. So I hope this motivates you and I hope it helps. And if you guys want to see more videos like it, different ideas of how to make some money, then comment down below, how do I make money, ? Just comment that and I will try to come up with new techniques and new ways to make money with $0 in your bank account. So also, please go down and subscribe, hit the notification bell if you guys want to get notified of the videos that I'm uploading, and also leave a thumbs up on this video. It would help me out a ton. It really means a lot, and it lets me know that you guys are enjoying my content. So thanks again for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment, like the video, and subscribe. And now let's end this video, and I just want to say thanks again, and we will see you guys in the next one.